Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. Check out this incredible Disporum. It's called green giant. Common name is fairy bells. And they come out of the ground. They're all dark colored and serpentine. And then they open up into these leafy, beautiful plants. Then they get these wonderful flowers. And to my great surprise, hummingbirds are crazy about these flowers. So Disporum green giant likes bright shade, needs nice moist soil that drains well. And other than that, there's hardly anything you have to do, although if it starts flopping over, you might have to put a stake on it. This is definitely my favorite plant. Although there's one over there called night heron. You better have a look at that too. So this variety of Disporum is called night heron, and it doesn't grow as tall as green giant. It was actually a selection of a green giant, and it gets a lot darker foliage. And so it's less floppy than the other one, less likely you have to stake it, although I may have to stake this guy. But have you ever seen anything more beautiful than this? Oh la la, this definitely is my favorite plant.